Want to share your Tesla with family or friends? The Tesla app makes it easy to add up to 5 drivers per vehicle. First, open the Tesla app on your smartphone, available for both iOS and Android. Select the vehicle you want to manage. Then navigate to Controls, then Manage, and finally tap Drivers. Here you'll see an Add Driver option. Tap it. Enter the new driver's name and phone number. The new driver will receive an invitation via SMS or an app notification. They'll need to accept the invitation and verify their identity with an SMS code. Once verified, they'll have their own driver profile linked to your car. This allows them to access features like remote start, climate control, and charging. This process works on all Tesla models with app connectivity, requiring no hardware upgrades. The Tesla app allows you to easily manage and remove drivers. To remove a driver, return to the Controls, Manage, Drivers section, select the driver you wish to remove, and choose Remove. This revokes their access immediately, and they will be notified. For families, Tesla Family Sharing simplifies the process. This subscription-free feature groups accounts, making it easier to add drivers across multiple vehicles. Security is a key consideration. Drivers can't add other drivers or change vehicle settings without your approval. All actions are logged within the app for transparency. If the primary owner deactivates their account, all added drivers lose access. Keep in mind that while adding drivers is generally secure, cybersecurity experts recommend caution with SMS-based verification due to risks like SIM swapping. Consider alternative authentication methods if available.